தொட்டனை தூரும் மணற்கேணி மாந்தர்க்கு கற்றனை தூரும் அறிவு. This is a couplet written by a great Tamil poet, Thiruvalluvar, which typically means whatever knowledge you gain, you share it with others so that it grows leaps and bounds. Please subscribe and share our channel, and don't forget to click the bell button. Have you ever wondered a person gaining height after adolescence? Are you surprised to know our heart can also be in spherical shape? Do you know the meaning of microgravity? If your answer for the above questions are no, then check out this video. Over 60 years, humans have been exploring space. Sputnik 1 was the first satellite launched by the Soviet Union in 1957. India launched its first satellite on 19th April 1975. Slowly, humans created International Space Station, and scientists talks about sending humans to Mars by 2030. Let's see what changes happens to astronauts in space. Microgravity is a condition where gravity seems to be very smaller. Strange but true. Microgravity makes astronauts grow taller. A person who is 6 feet tall can gain 5 centimeter height while in orbit. As the spine is not exposed to pull of Earth's gravity, the vertebral column can expand, relax, and allows the astronauts to grow taller. However, this gain is short-lived. Once the astronauts return to Earth, their height returns to normal after a few months. Still, research studies are going on how the spine of human body changes over time in microgravity. Strange but true. Redistribution of body fluids. Body fluids shift from the leg to the head because there is no gravity to force them back down. That is why astronauts have swollen faces. Accumulation of body fluids in the eye also blurs their vision for few days. Not only this, the astronauts also face loss of smell and taste because of change in fluid distribution. Strange but true. Have you heard of heart changing its shape? Yes, the heart actually changes its shape in space after being in microgravity for a longer time. It no longer hangs in the chest but becomes more spherical in nature. On Earth, heart is working against gravity to pump blood. But in space, without gravity, heart does not have to work so much, so heart gradually degenerate, lose muscle mass. Hence, astronauts have to exercise daily to keep their muscle, including heart, to be strong and healthy. Astronauts run the risk of fainting when they come back to Earth. Strange but true. And the well-known consequence is weakening of bones. Cells which help in breaking down of bone is called osteoclasts, resulting in increasing in calcium level in blood, whereas osteoblasts make new bone. These two take place at balance rate on Earth. But in space, since the astronaut bone don't have to support as much weight and they aren't exposed to much stress, as a result, calcium in bones is broken down and released into blood, leading to decreased bone density. This can lead to increased risk of bone fractures when they return to Earth. I can understand now what question runs in your mind. How did scientists study about these changes, right? At the beginning of March 2016, astronaut Scott Kelly returned to Earth after a continuous stay in space for 340 days. The purpose of his mission to International Space Station was to better understand how the human body reacts and adapts to harsh space environment. When Scott Kelly went to space, his identical twin Mark Kelly stayed on Earth. After Scott Kelly returned to Earth, scientists collected the blood sample of both Scott Kelly and Mark Kelly to study the genetic changes that may have occurred. Because the risk of cancer increases in space due to radiation exposure, which the Earth's magnetic field protects us from. By considering all the factors which we came across in this video, I can strongly feel the wonderful creation of God. The human body is programmed and tuned in such a way to live only on Earth. But his inquisitiveness made him to travel to space. When we travel to space, the same human body faces lot of physical challenges. With the advancement of technology, hope scientists make future space travel safer. Thank you.